Welcome, ma'am, everyone. I'm Emmanuel Socorro from PSHM 1D, presenting 7 factors that causing breakage and showing the proper handling of table appointments. First is mechanical impact. It may result from an object-to-object contact. To avoid mechanical impact, do not stack glasses. Only Chinawares can be stacked using decoy system. Never put cutleries inside the glass. Put them in their appropriate containers. Second is thermal shock. It is abrupt exposure of an equipment from hot to cold temperatures or vice versa that may cause breakage. Never put hot water in a chilled cold glass and vice versa. Never heat any chilled cold bowl or glass in a microwave oven. Next is improper handling and misuse of equipment. Use only for intended purposes. Using knives for opening cans instead of used can openers. Improper racking and stacking, like stacking glasses and stacking together of chinawares in different sizes and shapes. Stack chinawares using decoy system. Stacking chinawares according to their size and shapes in an even stacking. Avoid overloading trays and bus pans. inattentive or absent-mindedness. Accidents often occurs when service personnel are absent-minded or inattentive while executing service, especially when they are carrying and breakable equipment. Improper busing to avoid accidents and breakage. Busboys or waiters must follow the 3S: scrape, stack, and segregate. Trays must not be properly handled with palm and not the fingers holding the plate. Environmental factors. Presence of safety hazard that can cause accidents. Make sure the floor is either wet or slippery. Put signage in area. Food and water beverage that spills on the floor must be cleaned immediately.